A percent word problem can sometimes ask you to find the percent of a number. The key point in finding the percent of a number is to recognize that the word of means to multiply. Therefore, do the percentage multiplied by that number and you should be able to find your answer. This will be demonstrated in an example. Here's an example of finding a percent of a number. In this first example here, I'm asked to find 4% of 500. Remembering that the word of means multiply, I could rewrite this problem as 4% times 500. Remember that a percent can be written as a fraction. Therefore, this 4% can be written as 4 over 100 times 500. And from here it becomes a simple calculation. The 2 zeros from the 100 cancel out with the 2 zeros from the 500. Therefore, I am left with 20. Therefore, 4% of 500 is 20. Another example. This second example asks, what is 60% of 30? Again, our key point is that the word of means multiply. 60% multiplied by 30. 60% can be written as 60 over 100. 60 over 100 multiplied by 30. And from here I do my calculation. 1 0 here cancels with 1 0 here. Another 0 here cancels with another 0 here. Therefore, my answer is 18. Therefore, 60% of 30 is 18. In this example, I'm asked to find 33 1/3% of 1,200. This problem is very similar to the others. The only thing that might make the problem a little bit more difficult is a fraction in there, the mixed number that we have here. But we start off the same way. This means 33 1/3% multiplied by 1,200. Multiplied by 1,200. Remember that 33 1/3% can be written as 33 1/3 divided by 100 times 1,200. Now understand what this problem means. This actually means 33 1/3 divided by 100 multiplied by 1,200. Therefore, I could rewrite the problem so it looks a little bit easier for me. 33 1/3 divided by 100 over 1 multiplied by 1,200. I could put this over 1 also. This takes us right back to mixed numbers. If I'm working with a mixed number, my mixed number needs to become an improper fraction. Therefore, I would change my 33 1/3 into an improper fraction. That's 3 times 33, which gives me 99, plus 1, which gives me 100 over 3. Remember, if we are dividing, your division needs to turn into a multiplication sign, and the fraction immediately at the back gets flipped upside down. Times 1 over 100 multiplied by 1,200 over 1. And that's my problem. From here, I can do a simple bit of cancelling out, and I should be able to arrive at my answer. This 100 cancels out this 100. 3 goes into 3 ones. 3 into 1,200 goes 400 times. Therefore, my answer is 400. 1 times 1 times 400 over 1 times 1 times 1, which is 400. Therefore, 33 1/3% of 1,200 is 400. Remember, the of is a multiplication sign, so that can simply be converted to a multiplication sign, and from here we perform our calculations.